kukhona abantu abacabanga ukuthi bane choice kanti abazi ukuthi abana choice. Ucabanga ukuthi lama choices awenzayo awakhe, akaboni ukuthi acontaminated, aya ngokuthi wazini, uconditionwe kanjani, uvumeni wasekholwane, bese ecabanga ukuthi ufree. Myself included. Awu phela you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Ayithi indlela esiconditionwe ngayo nesikhuliseke ngayo nathi lento siyithola manje. We are still fighting and we are fighting with ourselves. Impi ngaphakathi. Buka ke phela. Labantu abalwayo kade ngikhuluma ngabo abasenza nje. Basebenzisa lo mthetho othi the universe is mental. Basebenzisa lona ngithi leli thuluze bekumele ngabe uyalisebenzisa vele ukushintsha impilo yakho kuya phambili. There are infinite universes bekumele ngabe siya explore. The universes are infinite and our home is the universe. Bekumele ngabe siya explore but we are stuck kwi plane eyodwa. And basebenzisa lo mthetho lo. Phela ngithi God is like electricity, like ukuze ukwazi uconceptualize. Ungamsebenzisa negative, ungamsebenzisa positive. Le power work in both ways. It has no respect of person. It works with law. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingile lo changes akasha uthi ngenzayo noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lo cansi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Bese ucabanga ukuthi ufree. Yabona lo mthetho othi the universe is mental. Lo mthetho ujule kakhulu lo mthetho lo. Ngoba sibhawa kwi programming yabanye abantu. Ngenhloso zabo njalo. And yabona wena uma ungafuni ukuba udriver nongqongqoshe empilweni yakho, ukhona udriver nongqongqoshe empilweni yakho. Okubuza nje lezi indaba ofocuse kuzona kwi media ingoba uthanda kubalekile kuwe noma it's a compulsive behavior and the fear of missing out. Awuyibuza. Isn't that you have fear that uzosala ekuthenini kwenzekalani? You will be like